Okay, for single slit darks, this is the pattern. You're going to see a great big blob in the center and very thin dark lines are only our good definition of spacing. So the brights don't matter for spacing and calculation. The darks do. So this is going to be -1 on one side of the blob and +1, +2 on the other. And so the delta M here would be 4, and the wavelength would be A over L times delta Y over delta M. Now for the multiple slits, basically this is the destruction method. So you're using the same thing as your double slits, but you're using it for brights. That's because there's destructive interference everywhere but at the very tip of the double slit brights. So what you're going to do is see a very series of bright dots, and you number it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. This would be your delta Y. In this case, your delta M would be 8. Occasionally, one of these dots might seem dimmer, and that's because of an interference between the double dots saying that should be a bright and the single slits saying no, that should be a dark there. So it's a dim dot, and if you see a dim dot, you've got to count it. More of that in the lecture. And the formula again would be D over L times delta Y over delta M.